channel. I hope tomorrow you have a PUC examination, second PUC board examination. First exam is our subject only mathematics. Hope everybody is doing good till now, your preparation and all. So next 12 hours of time, the very next day you have examination. I will give some tips and tricks how to write examination, particularly mathematics in the board, dear students. The tips and tricks for the board examination, the first thing what we need to do is, today, dear students, today you can study up to 11 o'clock in the night, don't go more than that. Morning you can wake up at 6 o'clock, don't wake up early, don't take any risk. I will go one by one. First tips and tricks, after that still more in the last minute quick review about the subject also I will discuss. Please stay tuned. Very good evening all of you. So I know you people are waiting for my tips and tricks. Today up to 11 o'clock you study, morning you can wake up at 6 o'clock. 11 to 6 compulsory you need to sleep before the examination day. It is compulsory, dear students. Very good evening Arya. Very good evening Chiranta. So night 11 to morning 6 you can sleep. Minimum 7 hours of sleeping is required before the examination. Then your brain will active perfectly. Then you will remember everything. Don't go with the night out like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Don't study. This is very, very important point. You are writing the board exam. You cannot skip your sleeping time. You can sleep compulsory 6 to 7 hours before the exam day. Okay. Next, after wake up in the morning 6 o'clock, after fresh up yourself, after breakfast, just to take a sheet of paper when you want to revise mathematics, just to take a sheet of paper, write chapter name, relations and functions. Just what are the concepts? 3 marks, inverse question will come. 2 marks, 1 onto function. 3 marks, symmetric, reflexive, transitive. For 2 marks, binary operation. Like that, 3 to 4 concepts, whatever is the concept's name, just to write. Next, inverse trigonometric function, keep it. Just you write as domain and range of all the functions. Next, find the value of x. Only questions, only concept. Don't write any answers, anything. Just to understand. Matrices. Keep heading matrices chapter name. Number 1, types of matrices. Number 2, how to find inverse by using elementary operation. Number 3, symmetric and skew symmetric. Number 4, AB whole dash equal to B dash into A dash. Number 5 mark questions, AQ minus 3A square, like that. So similarly, keep adding determinants. Just question, point number 1, what is in determinants? Area of triangle question. Next, determinant question, 4 marks. Next, third one, equation of a line joining. Fourth one, equation solving. Fifth one, find the value of x in determinants they are giving, like that. So each and every chapter, just you write just heading, what are the concepts are there. That you can do today also, not only tomorrow. Okay, in a sheet of paper, chapter wise you can keep it. Okay, what are the concepts you studied already. Okay, this is called quick revision in each and every chapter. If you open the continuity and differentiability chapter, continuity, 4 mark question, find a and b, find value of k, find value of lambda, relation between a and b. These 4 questions are very, very important. One question will come. Similarly, differentiation, you have find the value of y dy by dx. And parametric function question, x power y equal to y power x or x power y equal to e power y. And inverse trigonometric function question, Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem. And 5 marks, y equal to tan inverse x whole square or 3 cos of log x or e power mx. Okay, in rare case sin inverse x whole square. Okay, this out of 4, 1 will come for 5 marks. Similarly, in application of derivatives, dear students, first you can write rate measure, that is a sand pouring question, ladder question, find the value of rectangle of x, that one, everything. So like that, each and every chapter you can write in a sheet of paper, what are the concepts you learned, everything. Okay, then you have completed, you already, when you are writing in a sheet of paper that particular concept, you can feel that you are revising that concept. Okay. And my suggestion to everybody, the main important tip what I am giving to you, don't read any new question now. If any students or any friends are forward any question papers or anything in that you are finding any new question, ignore it. Don't bother about that one. oh, I am forgetting to read probability 2 marks, I am forgetting to read differentiation 3 marks. Like that, don't think that. Whatever you studied, you focus on only that one. No need to go with the new questions. It's not required now for you. New questions are not required. Old question, what you studied, you can continue with that. Okay, it's not required the new questions, dear students. Next, come back to the integration chapter. Integration, you can write everything, whatever you already prepared. Only those questions you write, not all. In the examination time, after you can go 1 hour early to the examination hall. It is compulsory. 1 hour prior. Suppose your examination will start by 10. You are going inside the room by 10. You can go by 9 o'clock. Please, while going, please check your ID card, uniform and admission ticket, compulsory. Please cross check it. One Xerox copy of admission ticket, please keep it in your home. Okay, if you are missing the main copy, it is a safe copy. Okay, if suppose you are missing any ID card or anything, the concerned college faculties are available in nearby your examination center. Please inform to them regarding that. Okay, they can immediately give any alternate option. Okay. Next, very important point while going inside the classroom, that is the examination hall. Please check your pockets thoroughly. You are reading so many concepts, you are writing in a sheet of paper, and that sheet you are keeping inside the class, your pockets. Means checking will be happened. That is compulsory in the examination. It's a board examination, so please check your pockets, everything. And while sitting in your place, please check your surroundings regularly. Every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, please check your surroundings. If any student are throwing anything nearby, again it is a fault for you. So please check the surroundings thoroughly 2 to 3 times every time. That is very important. After giving the question paper, dear students, compulsory you write your register number on the question paper. It's must and should. Don't forget that, very important. Very good evening, BR, NR. And very important thing, how to score marks in the examination is, irrespective of whatever question you know answer, you write all the question numbers in the answer sheet compulsory, because any question if they given wrong, you will get the marks, add score. Suppose you started with 5 mark question first, 6 questions you know answers, you wrote all the 6 questions. 7, 8, 9, 10 you don't know, but even though just you write the question number and leave it, nothing will happen. Okay. Similarly, 10 marks you started, 3 choice questions are there in 10 marks. Right, first question, known question you know, that you finish, and the remaining questions also just you keep the number and leave it, nothing will happen. Because if any question they given wrong, if you write the question number, definitely it is a chance of getting that marks, 5 marks or 6 marks or 3 marks or 2 marks compulsory. Understand? So my suggestion to everybody, the very important tip what I am giving to you is, write all the question number in the answer script compulsory. Okay. But my suggestion to everybody, first you write 5 mark question, next you write 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, after that 10 marks, then 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks. And one more thing, dear students, while reading the question paper, you felt that some questions are difficult, some questions are easy, some you already know, some you don't know. Forget about the questions which you are not understanding. Which question you know, only think about those questions. The questions which you are not understand, leave it. You will get the answer for those questions also. Suddenly your brain will not work properly. That time you remember my words. PK sir said, whatever question you don't know, just you leave it, and which questions you know, you can focus on that questions. So that mentality is compulsory for writing any examination, because you want to score 100 of 100 means, first thing is, which questions you know, you finish the answers, which question you don't know, you leave it, don't bother about that. That is very important point, what I am saying to you. And one more trick what I am saying to you is, always you can finish whatever questions they require, those questions first. Suppose in 5 marks you required only 6 questions, first you finish 6 questions only. In 10 marks you want to write only 1 question, you finish 1 question. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, 10 questions only required, 10 questions only write. In the middle, last you can write the choice. In the middle don't write choice, because you want to write only 6 questions in 5 marks, means don't write 7 questions or 8 questions in the beginning itself, it's waste of time. Similarly, with 10 mark questions, only 1 question you write, don't write 2 questions. 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks also, first you finish 10 questions. If time permits, at last you can write at least for each main For 1 mark, 3 questions extra. For 2 marks, 2 questions extra. For 3 marks, 2 questions extra. And for 5 marks, you write only 1 question extra. Understand? Like that you can write it. So please follow all these tips and tricks, dear students. Don't go with any new question, new chapter, new concepts. People are sending so many papers. This is important, that is important. We already leaked the question paper, like that. Don't bother about anything in the WhatsApp messages, Instagram, Snapchats, any messages. Please ignore all the messages. So whatever you study, just you focus on that. That's why my very important suggestion to you is take a sheet of paper. In each chapter, whatever concept you already understand, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, that you can write it. That's it. Don't bother anything about that. Okay, dear students, I wish you all the best for your board examination. Don't forget, write all the questions in the question paper, all the numbers, question numbers in the answer script. Okay, it is compulsory, because if any question they given wrong, you will get that score. Okay, that's all about second PUC board examination tips and tricks, dear students. I wish you once again all the best. My blessings always with you. You already did hard work. Hard work will always help you. Don't worry about unknown questions once again. You worry about the known questions only. But write questions very properly. Handwriting is must and should important. Don't rewrite in the questions like that. Just you write one question. If you have wrong, just don't strike anything in the answer script. Even it is wrong also, don't strike it. You can write once again. Nothing will happen. Okay. Don't strike anything in the answer script. Okay. And if you want to change the pen, you can take the permission from particular invigilator. That is compulsory. Mass copying, showing to others, graph interchange, that's all not encouraged in the final examination. They will take strict actions. So once debar means 2 to 3 years we are unable to study. So malpractices are completely avoid. So ignore about if anybody is doing inside the classroom. But you are very careful. Every time you can cover your answer script with the question paper. Don't show to other answer script with anyone, because copying, if you are showing this first crime, so you cannot show to anybody. So take it a pleasant mind tomorrow. Compulsory 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours of sleeping is must and should today. 11 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock you can sleep. Wake up fresh mind. 3 to 4 minutes if you are in the examination, if you are feeling little difficult, any question you are not getting answer, just 30 to 45 seconds, take a deep breath and relax yourself. Close your eyes and take a deep breath and relax. Then automatically all you will remember the things. Okay. Once again, I wish you all the best, dear students. So follow all these tips and tricks. Anybody came late to this video, you can watch again from the beginning. I wish you all the best for your board examination. Your PKSR signing off. Bye bye.